protect that memory stick, win or lose. So there's a lot on the line. We're going to let Ryan get it rolling, and he's going to be the first to tell you that this is all about touch. You saw how easily he was able to pick up that ball. He's got to be able to do it without puncturing it, right? Now line up the boom. Begin working the stick. And now comes the difficult part. He's going to let this thing get some momentum, usually about 4 passes, and look for that point where he can shoot a basket. Shot number 1. Nothing but net. Sometimes it's as easy as it looks, sometimes it's not. Ryan has been good enough to do 5 for 5. Just by comparison, we have not had anybody shooting conventional free throws go 5 for 5. But if you do go 5 for 5, we'll also throw in a CAT M315D wheel excavator scale replica model. So that's on the line if you can go 5 for 5. Ryan goes 5 for 5, we just give him a handshake. Shot 2. As you see him working this, he is basically using this machine as an extension of his arm, making all these precise movements with that basketball. Let's see if he keeps that rhythm. Second shot after making the first. Again, gets that swing down, looks to get the momentum. Here's shot number 2. Up. A little high. So we're 1 for 2. If you just joined us, this is the CAT Wheel Excavator Basketball Challenge. Ryan is in the middle of shooting his. He will do 5 free throws with the M315D mini excavator, and then we're going to have a series of people shoot free throws from the free throw line and see if you can beat it. All right, shot number 3. Just to give you some perspective here, I'd say Ryan has been shooting an average of about 60–65%. Let's see if he can get that percentage up. Locked in at the line. Looking to go 2 for 3. Shot is up, back home, 2 for 3. Good rhythm on that one. Now he'll settle it and go for 4. Once again, if you can tie or beat Ryan, we've got a CAT hat and the 1 gig memory stick in the shape of a CAT wheel excavator. Once he gets warmed up, he can be difficult to beat. Here's the 4th shot. And waits to settle. Just like a basketball player, he's going to get momentum and then look for that perfect release point. Normally a basketball player is going to do that at the top of a jump shot. This is his jump shot. Just about to reach the top. It's up and bang, or bounces home. 3 for 4. And Ryan is now looking to go for back-to-back 4 for 5 performances. Making it tough for those of you waiting in line. just to give you some perspective, if he's shooting anywhere from 65 to 70% with the clamshell tool, the best NBA basketball player ever at free throw shooting made 90% of his shots. So this is not bad, considering. All right, we're lined up for shot 5. And it's up and back home. So he throws down the gauntlet, 4 for 5. That means you're going to have to hit at least 4 free throws in order to get that cat hat, no matter what.